Aga kuburia abaro kiwane ne bari bare anse ki university banyara kuba bagwesokia na kwelikirie kwenyorera chibesa chirie chikiganja kya help okwana litikolia lero ase university ya Garissa chingaki abana bare kuba bakobekerwa chigutwa niko boigo hanyare kuba kwene kiabuna budget ya nyara kuba gosomwa nigo chibesa chinge chenyara kuba chikobekwa se wizara yaye ingana nyare kuba gakogokerenga serikali regenta kuba gosira chinsemo gose sekta yechisemi nomo yagabo yonyara kobo ikiranirwa amono murayibwense Dr. William Ruto yunyara kobaga kwenekia bune serikali nechikobaga kogendera ko bwatoka chibeselio gosira aboro kiwomuliki oito Dorcas Kemuma na mange
Omurayi wense Dr. William Ruto nigo litikoria lero ara omoyega wokobekere gutwa kwa barikuwa be University ya Garissa oyokarekana ase ntunda ya gatano gese University ya Chagete jinga kibarenge ase omoyego ywe Ruto nigo atebabuna University chiria chikura masomo igoro yoboremi nigo chirachigo konya wikirania amonchoria ase uchumi yense to ya Kenya.
The university must produce necessary knowledge, impart vital training, and continuously update our national capacity to handle calamities efficiently and minimize their impact on livelihoods and on people and on the nation.
Ruto nigarira yogo chiko sira university ywe asamagacho ilio kwa baro kiwachinga kichinyororocho kwa genderia na masomabo.
Government of Kenya is going to provide 200 million shillings to make sure that the administration block is completed within a year. And I have also requested Safaricom, a request they have graciously accepted this morning, to provide another 200 million shillings to complete the tuition block in Garissa University.
Nigo boigo baira chinga kecho kunyora bora kiwa bari basiriti amagimabo chinga ke university yo yasagane twena babegu asomura iwense arira yogo chikwana kingango tinya baro borendi ase chinsemecho.
And I want to ask parents from Kenya that Garissa University is a safe university and their children can come here because the government of Kenya is going to make sure that no criminal or terrorist or evil people ever step foot again in Garissa University. Rise and join me in a moment of silence to remember, appreciate and honor the innocent young Kenyans who died here as they quenched their thirst of knowledge and prepared themselves to contribute to our nation's development.
Wense nigamenta kwa tebabuna nigo menye be county yo boigo barachi okonyeka no murabiri obo bagachi bw'kinyomba cha magorense asakiri nigo barachi ko chaka obwagachi bw'kinyombecho.
The bottom-up economic transformation agenda aims to impact every Kenyan household through the effective and efficient provision of social services, including universal health coverage and strategic investment to create inclusive opportunities in agriculture, micro, small and medium enterprises, the digital economy, and affordable housing. I am very proud that the first 800 units of our affordable housing program have been started in Garissa County, and the other 4,000 units are at the design stage that will be launched in the coming months.
Chinga kicho mojogo ywe ningomo waziri wechisemieze kilima choku abori abarakiwa kwa ene kibunango sababale chibesa chechiloni cha help erioko basira ase amasomabo.
Following the opening of the higher education funding portal on 18th of this month 2024, I wish to encourage all eligible students who have been placed to various universities and our TVET institutions for the 2024-2025 academic year to take advantage of the opportunity to apply for loans and scholarships under the student-centered funding model.
Dorcas Kemuma, Ndizi TV.